Hey guys, today we're doing a blade shape pull. We have 4 Spyderco Enduras on the table. After you watch the video, comment down below and let us know which one you'd carry today, and be sure to let us know why. First off, on the bottom here, the full flat grind, great for slicing all around utility work, classic look. Next up, the Emerson Wave. This does not have the full flat grind, so you have a little bit more material here on the spine. A little bit more robust there. Third option, the part serrated version. Plain edge up there on the front, serrations on the back. I'm curious as to see who would carry that and why. And the last but not least, the Wharncliffe. So flat edge Endura Wharncliffe. So there is your pull today. Which one would you carry? Let us know why. Comment down below. Check it out. Blade Ops.